Where does the name for Porth Dafarch come from? So today I'm just south of Holyhead on Ynys Cubby, Holy Island, in a place called Porth Dafarch. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Porth, and now Porth is a cove or a harbour like this one. And then we have Dafarch. Now Dafarch is probably the soft mutation of Tafarch, which is a person's name. But like with many places, when the original name was forgotten, people have tried to come up with another meaning to explain the place name. And here that's Dai Varch. That's Dai, two, and Varch, like march as in horses, the two horses. But if we look at historical forms of the name, that doesn't really make much sense. Now, interestingly, for a long time, Porth Dafarch was used as the alternative to the harbour in Holyhead, but after they built the breakwater and steamships were invented, it fell out of use. So the name literally means Tafarch's Harbour or Tafarch's Cove. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, links in the bio. Diolch, have a good one.